Viewing the design in a web browser. The Workspace Web Viewer interface provides universal access to the PCB project documents through a standard web browser. Much more than just a web viewer, it is advanced browser technology that allows users to navigate through the project structure, to interact with design documents, highlight areas or objects for commenting notes, and search and cross-probe, select, and inspect components and nets throughout the design. Now here in this image, the web viewer interface provides an immersive and interactive experience for reviewing a design, shown in this board. The web viewer interface presents information across distinct data views. The views depend on the type of data being viewed. When viewing design source, for data, views are used to present the source schematics, board in 2D, board in 3D, and bill of materials respectively. The web viewer interface for a specific project can be accessed directly from the Workspace browser interface or indirectly within the Altium Designer.